say thank you, Granddad?
Thank you, Granddad.
See what else is in there, Georgie? George, see what else is in there?
Shoes.
Wow. Yeah. What else is in there? You have a look. They're pretty.
A chip. A chip.
Wow.
I think so. It's a skirt. I think. Let's see. A candy for me.
Yes.
These are Chelsea's.
Yes.
Yes.
Keep looking. Oh, pretty.
Look at my jeans. My pink.
That's a skirt. Yeah.
And these are Chelsea's green skirt. And this is my pink shoes.
Wow.
I can wear these, can you not?
Yes.
Yes, I
Keep
can.
looking.
You need to cut it.
I'll cut it.
This is Chelsea's.
Okay. Wow. What's this one?
Chest.
What's this one? You have a look.
What is it? A chest?
Yes. Do you like it?
Yes, so I can wear it.
And what's
Can I?
that? What's that
A
one?
sticker.
Yes. Anything else in here?
Yes.
What's this one?
Is that Auntie's?
And who's on them?
Dora.
Do you like those ones?
Yes. We're Chelsea's.
You have a look and see if there's something there for Chelsea.
There is.
Wow.
They Chelsea. I'm going to take it for Chelsea.
Okay.